To generate photorealistic AI images, copy the prompt from the link in the description box below into a Note app or MS Word. Then, scroll down to where you see the blue arrow. Describe the image for which you want prompts generated about. For example, image of a board meeting at a company. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT or Claude AI, then hit Enter. Try out the generated prompts one by one in your text-to-image generator of choice and save the images you like the most. Check out my other videos for more.